Punts are hard one to you. Don't be afraid to make a play.
Two.
Good job, Miles. Jack, that's you. Jack, that's you.
Number 11,
Punt
Damien.
guy, Jack. Got that? Jack, or the punt guy in the outfield. Oh, it's gotta be a time. Hey, you right? To the ground ball, Miles. To the ground ball, Miles. Runner. You're up. Hey. Do not look at that ball. Run to the base and miss it. Got it? Come on, D. There it is, bud. Hey. I think it around you. Get a lead. Get a good secondary. Runner! Hey. Right there. On the base. Hey, team on eight. Hey, I can care less about what's going on in the base. Hey, we're out here, okay? You do your job. Good job. Good start. Let's go, Miles. Good boy, D. Damien, be smart. Forward! All the way!
Number 17, Jackson.
Hey, no damage. Here we go. We gotta get after him here. Hold my way, bud. You gotta play your position first, dude. Runner! On the base! You're up, D. On the base! On the base! Right there!
Good backup.
Good read, bud. Good read, D. Hey! Hey! Hey, here we go. Play that right there, Jack. Stop, Jack. Stop, Jack. Right there. Right there. Right there where you're at. Good boy, Jack.
Number 75, Will. Number 39, Carter.
Let it go.
Hey, way to hook her on that ball. Come on, Miles. Here we go, bud. Now buckle down. Buckle down. Here we go.
Mike, call me one of them ups in your body? Yeah, I appreciate that. It's in between the cages I got set up.
You, if you can, go to 2. Come on, let's go! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! Get there! Get out, Carter, get out! Go, go, go! More! More! God dang it!
Richard plays the 2.
Plays that 4 with guys on base! Plays that 4 with guys on base! Miles, good job. Let's go. Keep it straight.
Number 77, Liam.
Hey, just like last time. Let's go. Here we go. Plays that 1 in field. Plays that 1 in field. Fly ball outfield. Come up, throw in. Good job, Miles. Way to be, Miles. Hey, keep working hard out there, LT. Good job, Miles. Run it, LT. Miles, here we go, big dude. Go right at him, go right at him. Go, 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 go! Miles, great job. Hey, you're doing awesome out there. Hey, hey, let's come to baseball.
Number 2, Gavin.
Jack, I need you this way now, man. Jack, second.
Hey, check him. Oh, block.
Right there. On the base. Get him, warning. All right, got it. Go back. Go back to the base. Good job, right back to him, here we go. Come on, Gav. Good boy, Gavin, you all right, bud? You okay?
Number 4, Jake.
Hey, now we got 4. Hey, we got 4 blocks now. Going and nobody can step up 3, bud. Buddy, all right? Good job, Miles. Working hard out there, big guy. Guy in just a second. Get off. Get here. And a boy, Liam. On the base. On the base. Gavin. Yeah, we don't care about the runners, Miles. It's just about the batter. One. Popeye has hit the drop. You got it? Popeye has hit the drop. There's this ball. Hey, way to be smart. Hey, we got to stick the match. Good, Jake. Hold up, Mark. Hold up. Come on, Miles. Go, Jake.
Number 99, Victor.
Outfield, place going to Miles. Outfield, place going to Miles.
Let's go, Victor!
Force out. Keep working, Miles. Keep working, big guy.
I'll be back, buddy.
Victor.
Watch out!
Oh!
Good job, Victor!
Number 8, Declan.
Good job, Victor, man.
Number 24, Owen.
Let's come on, big play.
Be ready, Hunter.
Number 22, Matthew.
Step! Step! Wait, Jack! Gotta make another one! Hunter, coming to you, big guy!
Go! Go!
Number 11, Damian.
Skylar! Anthony! I need you here, dude! I need you here! Hey, keep working hard, Charlie. Doing a good job. Outfield, come up throwing to Charlie. Good job. Good job, Steve. Good job. Good job. Hunter, hey, he's moving around. Don't be a statue.
Yeah. Move it around.
Wait. Good pitch. Good pitch, Charlie.
Oh, yeah.
Number 17, Jackson.
Hey, here we go. Let it rip, Jack.
All right, two more like that.
Gotta go quick, Jack. You gotta run, buddy. I need you to go quick, Jack. Good, Jack.
Oh, boy.
Number 75, Will.
Come on, Will! Hey, here we go. Play that two. You got it. Will, let it go. Three. Let's go.
Good pitch.
Work right here now. You can do it. Hey, here it comes, infield. Let's make a play.
Be ready,
You gotta
Hunter.
want
Be
it.
ready.
You gotta move quick.
There it is. Bravo. He didn't tag it.
Hey, nice hustle. Hey, good hitting. Is that an RBI?
Number 39, Carter.
Good job, Charlie. Do it again.
You're up, you're up, you're up.
Be ready, be ready.
2 outs, Will. Running on contact.
Hey, plays that one now. Infield. Gotta go to one. Plays that one.
Go, go, go.
First.
Number 77, Leah.
Good job, Charlie. Let it fly here, Max. Let it fly here, Max.
Go, go.
Fly, Max. Down. On the base.
2 outs. Contact and running.
Carter, that's you, bud. Hey, run on contact. You're two. Go.
LC. Go.
Go on, LT.
Back. Back, man. Back!
Let's go. Play the batter. Play the batter. Let's go.
Go, Charlie. Go to work, bud. Let's go, LT.
Get it, LT!
Run.
Get it, LT! Yes!
Number 2, Gavin.
Way to stop it, Hunter. Good stop.
I should probably walk away. I'm yelling too much.
Runner, watch me, watch me. Hey, get that secondary on the pitch. Here we go, one more ground ball, Charlie, let's get out of here. One more, Charlie, let's get out of here. Runner! Get out, LT. Boy, Leon, on the bag. Hey, find the ball. Hey, two.
Oh boy.
Number 4, Jake.
There it is. Yeah.